everyone, it's Daphne from Scrap and Create. Today I'm going to share my latest mini album, which is Ocean Blue from Graphic 45. And here's my cover. So I'm going to point out some of the design features as I go through the walkthrough. So here we've got the filigree pieces. And if you buy the bundle from us, you always get some filigree and charms that go with the collection. Here is a Graphic 45 hardware, one of their staples. I've used 2 matted ephemera journaling cards to feature here on the cover. And this is part of the cut aparts page, and so is this. These are $49 at Market Flowers, and there'll be a link in the description if you're interested in purchasing these flowers. We do have a couple of packs of these. And then I've also used these flat back pearls, which are Graphic 45 staples as well. And these swirls that you see here featured are from the die pack from the collection. Okay, so that's the cover. And then here's a piece of the chipboard on the side, and then on the back I featured another the double layered chipboard here. So I'm really happy with the way the album turned out. This is really pretty paper. It's pretty different for them too, because it's really just these 2 colors, these tans and blues. So it's kind of different for Graphic 45. So here's my inside cover. It's just simple. It's 2 matted pieces of colored cardstock and just a simple strip here in between. This is one of the die cuts from the die cut package. Here is a matted ephemera card. And here I've got another matted ephemera card that's tucked into this pocket. And then this opens, there's a pocket on the back side, and I just matted a photo, what would be a photo mat. This is a 5x7. This is a piece of the die cuts, and this is from the die cut as well. This is the die cut, and then this strip is from the cut aparts. Okay. There's a nice large photo mat inside each one of the 4 pockets. And I do have enough paper to cover the back, but I was kind of anxious to get this out. It's been a while since I released a video. So I'm going to probably come back and cover it since I have enough paper to do that. This is a double pocket, and I've matted some journaling cards, ephemera journaling cards, to go into the pockets. And then this is a large photo mat here. And then on top, I've just added this die cut piece. Okay, 2 and 3. Okay, this opens up, and this is I actually had made a little stain on my cream cardstock, which happens sometimes, and I covered it up with this die cut. Here's another matted ephemera journaling card with photo space in between. And then this flips down. And then this is part of the cut aparts, and then on top of it is a little heart shape from the die cuts. So just make sure you can see everything. Okay, and then another nice large photo mat. And it's just black on the back side, but like I said, I'm probably going to come back and cover it. Okay, on this is page 4 and 5, and they mirror each other with the exception of these 2 pieces of ephemera cards or journaling cards. These swirls or flourishes are from the die pack, and I thought they looked really pretty here. Okay, this opens up, and then there's a piece of this is from the die pack. That opens down. Pretty simple, and this opens to this side, and this opens to this side, so you get this kind of mirrored look. And then this opens up and down, just like the other side. And that is another one of the die cuts. I'm still learning how to use the die cuts in the collections, and coming back and trying to add them as embellishments on the pages. This strip is from the cut apart 12x12. Another ephemera journaling card. And then down here, this is from the cut aparts, and then I've layered a die cut on top of it. And you can't tell, but it's open-ended. Okay, and here's another double pocket. So we've got the small journaling card and the large journaling photo mat card. And then here is a very large photo mat. And you can decorate both sides. There we go. Okay, and then here's our last page. So another 5x7. So basically there's a photo, a matted ephemera card here and another matted ephemera card that goes right behind it. And this opens, and then there's another matted photo mat. This is one of the die cuts, and this is also a die cut here. And then this strip is from the cut apart. And same thing up here. So there's one on opposing sides. And then there's the back. So that's it for this mini album. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had a lot of fun making it. This is really pretty paper. But like I said, it's pretty different for Graphic 45, but I'm happy with the way the album came out, all in all. And I'm especially happy with my cover. I think that turned out really well. So thanks everybody for tuning in. This is Daphne from Scrap and Create. If you like this, go to the playlist and look under Ocean Blue and you'll find the complete collection of the tutorials to build one for yourself. And if you click on the show more in the description, there'll be a cut list for this album, for all the interactive features of the album, as well as a material list so that you guys can purchase all the items that you need to build this album. Again, thanks again for tuning in. This is Daphne from Scrap and Create. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.